Alright guys, don't forget, stay salty.
And earn those crowns.
What did you do?
A favor though, she looks like she's got nice makeup on, some nice eyelashes, so I want your and her opinion on my wife's makeup.
Oh.
I need you for a second. Important question. How's her makeup? What is her makeup? It's a...
Look really close to the eye.
Oh, she really did.
Your eyebrows are really good, and your eyes, the way it's blended over here,
Yeah.
and the way it goes like this is really
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, I did
like that.
First time doing makeup.
This is him.
Yeah.
The only thing
Yeah.
is, like, if I'm being honest,
Yeah, be honest.
Please.
like the eyeliner could have went.
Oh, it's
like,
proper messed up.
Yeah, the eyeliner could have went like a little bit like.
Yeah, Jamie,
Yeah.
you need to work on your angle.
Yeah.
Yeah, but other than that, it's good. It's blended over.
Yeah. Thank you very much. That's a good feedback.
Now we're at Harvey's for my food.
Okay, so you say that's a good opinion. Oh yeah, she's got some wings going on too. She's gonna be great.
In the dark and from a distance, it's not the worst, but up close,
No,
it's
really
like.
good. The eyebrows are bomb.
The eyebrows are bomb. You actually didn't do bad on the eyebrows. I don't know.
Hello. I have a question to ask too. You've got some really nice makeup, by the way.
Thank you.
How's my wife's makeup? Honest feedback. Honest feedback.
I really like it. Yeah.
Yeah. I had to do her makeup for the first time.
You did?
So that's the first
Okay,
attempt.
from here it looks good.
Well, that's great.
Close
Thank you.
up.
It's beautiful. It's a beautiful job.
No.
Thank you.
I feel like because you're pretty anyways, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
I've got a good bit.
Okay.
Awesome,
Thank you.